Hello, fellow Fae. So today I wanted to go over a recent purchase that I had made. I ordered this amethyst healing crystal off of Amazon. So I did do an unboxing already, but I have not seen what this looks like at all. Not opened it yet, which is really exciting. And so now I will show you all the order that was made from Amazon. So this is the order that was made today. Well, actually I made this order a while ago, but this is where I ordered from. It was $12.99, which I thought was a pretty good price. You guys can look through that. A lot of people left really good reviews. So 4.4 out of 5, which was really good. And a lot of people also put their photos up here and talked about the product, which usually I always do. So that's nice. Now, here is the moment of truth. I'm going to be opening this. Okay. Oh, so I noticed a small bag, a gift, chakra stones. Kindly leave us feedback. Thank you. Wow, that's really nice. Can you see that? Sorry about my nails. I lent out my nail polish remover, so I have to fix that. But look how nice that is. So this is a small gift on this. Wow. Very pretty. Very pretty stones. I don't know if you all can see those. These are gorgeous. Now, I do have to look a few of them up, but I do have some pretty good guesses for this one. Definitely know which one this one is, but I want to be sure. So I have my homework cut out. I do have several crystal books that are in my library. Well, I call it a library, but really they're my bookshelves. And I do call it a library because I do have close family members that pretty much come to check out books, so they'll return one to get one, which is really cute, or I'll borrow them out. But these are amazing, very pretty. I can't wait to look these up. Very nice. And these were completely free. I did not order those. Wow, beautiful. Okay. So next, I'm just going to I don't know why you can't see it that good with the lighting. I feel like I'm being washed out a little bit. And they even put a little bit of substance on top of it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Wow. It's just perfect. Wow. It's okay. Sorry, I'll have my time with it, but goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Wow. I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You guys, this is a nice, I don't know if I'm just easily amused with everything, because that could be a possibility as well. But I'm just really excited. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Sorry about my nails again, but it just fits perfectly. Perfectly in the palm of my hand. It just fits perfectly. Wow. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to try to cleanse it. Oh, wow, this is great. Okay, I just can't get over this. Okay, I'm just really, I've always been really excited about the beauty of crystals. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. This is great. This is one of the crystal books that I own. As you can see, oh, that's not amethyst, never mind, sorry. It looked like it in the camera, but then when I looked at the book, no. So this is one of the crystal books that I have. It's The Essential Guide to Crystals by Simon and Sue Lilly. And here's the page on amethyst, and I just want to read just a little bit about this beautiful, gorgeous stone here, okay? Amethyst. With its stunning purple color, amethyst has been a gem favored by royalty throughout the ages. Its name comes from the Greek for not drunken, and since classical times, amethyst has been believed to moderate unruly behavior and to encourage clarity of mind and spirituality. Amethyst is a variety of quartz colored by iron. Shades vary from pale lilac to deep purple, but it can turn brown, yellow, or green if exposed to heat. The crystal mostly forms in geodes in rock cavities left by volcanic gas bubbles. So the color is violet. The hardness is about 7, which is pretty cool to learn about the different notches, I guess, on the scale of how hard they can be. That's freaking cool. The practical ideas, it says, is to promote healing, to take 8 amethyst crystals, place 1 above the head, 1 below the feet, and the rest entirely around the body, all pointing inward. Amplify the effects by lying on a yellow or velvet cloth. This healing layout also creates a safe space in which to explore subtle perception, to explore the qualities of other crystals. Place them on the brow, in turn finishing with a grounding stone such as black tourmaline, which black tourmaline is actually one that I've been reading up on, which is really cool. Although I do have other crystal books, this is the one that I've actually been digging into more recently. And so the healing functions of this amethyst would be, it encourages self-control, which, not to get too in-depth with that concept, I feel as though I can appreciate such a healing function within the crystal. Self-control takes some meditation and just becoming at one with yourself and having harmony. So I can really definitely identify with that function. Amethyst also calms harsh emotions and brings stability, which that is something that I feel as though we all need as humans. It also helps practical applications of imagination, which that is something that I did not have a problem with as a child. And I think a lot of creative people who have these broad imaginations, that is how a lot of them come up with these, ideas, these art pieces, as well as these writings. I mean, it can go, as far as anything really. And also it helps aids meditation and sleep, which I do feel as though I do have problems with sleeping, and that is something that I would love to sort of further expand on. Just learning how to meditate and cleanse crystals and use them to the advantage of properly healing is something that really, really excites me. So that is all for today, guys. I'm just really excited to just get to know this crystal on a very intimate level. It's really smooth. It just feels amazing. I usually do go for the more natural, rough crystals, and I do have one other crystal besides a rose quartz pendant. I think it's the flower of life. Yes, it's the flower of life. Sorry, I had to check. And that one is smooth as well. So this is my second smooth crystal. Of course, besides all of my little babies over here, which I'm so excited for. So yeah, that was the, not really unboxing, but kind of like the little review I had for this order. I'm very, very pleased. Here's a little bit of a close-up. Not sure if you can see that too good. Wow, I'm just really taking it all in. This is gorgeous, and that point on top is extremely, I mean, it's beautiful. Gorgeous. I love it. I am going to try to cleanse this tonight, so I'm really excited for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this really, really short, small, not really unboxing, but preview of the things that I purchased today. And I will see you guys in another one. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.